dark circle. Sorry, don't know her. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a fun makeup look to do when you're in a hurry for Christmas and you need to go somewhere. Hopefully staying safe, because otherwise don't go anywhere. And yeah, this is a last minute Christmas makeup look. I'm trying to get this video up before tomorrow my exam starts, so before Christmas, because during Christmas I'm gonna be super busy with exams and then a short break, and I'll just enjoy Christmas. So yeah, I just wanted to put a small tutorial up to help anyone in need. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Trying to not make this look too complex. So firstly I'm going to start with this new primer I bought the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Eye Primer. Just going to put a bit on my eyes. Not me using the viewfinder as a mirror. I'm using my fingers because I like that best. It's very sheer. It's not like pigmented. It's kind of sticky, which is nice. So I'm putting that till the outer corner and the inner corner. I've already done my brows off camera because that's boring. Besides my peers, my classmates, I think everyone's gonna have a good Christmas. We're just gonna be in pain. So I'm taking the 35B palette and I'm gonna be using the green shades and the black shade, and I'm gonna be using this beige shade first all over my crease. Just like a good prep moment. It's not white, so it's a good prep moment, you know. After I dust that basic shade all over my eyes, I'm going to take this fluffy angled brush and I'm going to go with the pastel kind of a green, the lighter emerald green on the palette. I'm focusing that on the outer part. I'm not doing my base because there's going to be fallout. There's already some fallout. I'm going to create a wing. You don't have to be too precise. It's alright. It's meant to be kind of messy because with eyeshadow you can't be too precise, you know. My eyes are so asymmetrical, whatever you would like to call it. But it's actually bizarre. How bizarre? How bizarre? How bizarre? It's like actually so bizarre. And I'm taking the beige shade again, blend the outer corners. So it's not too dramatic. Then I'm taking the lightest green. It's like a parrot kind of a green, blending the edge. Then I'm taking a more precise brush, darkest green, and just lining my eyes. This you have to use as an eyeliner at this point. So be generous with it. You want to carefully take a black shade and also line it, but make sure it's only on the outer third. Slightly use black, ever so slightly. Then you want to go back with the greens and just blend it. Then what you want to do is take that emerald green, just slightly buff everything out. Then you want to take the beige shade and blend it all out so it doesn't look like chalky or anything. I think that's pretty. I'm just gonna clean the edges and be right back. So now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Pro palette in the Supreme eyeshadow palette in Bewitch, and I'm taking this shade, like this one. It has slight like a green reflex to it. So I'm taking that and popping it ever so slightly on the inner corner. Even in the crease, like that. Then I'm just lining my inner tear duct and extending my inner tear duct. I have exams tomorrow, but I'm here grinding on YouTube. By grind I mean hustle, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So you know she's committed. Anyways, enough of me talking about myself. Now I'm doing the base. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible foundation and mixing it with a light concealer to get my shade. Let's see if it's a match. Yep, it's a match. Just a bit on my nose, and I just use like the very leftover on my forehead. Not going near the eye because we have concealer for that. Taking a bit of concealer, the PAC concealer in Nutcracker, just in the center here, there's a bit over here like that, and I am blending it with the same sponge in dabbing motions. But to look up so there are no creases underneath my eye. Dark circles who? Dark circles, sorry, don't know her. So then I'm taking my Bharat and Doris Glue setting powder. Just gonna set it whatever is left over on my nose, and that's it. No overpowering. I don't like my base looking powdery. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking the emerald green shade from the 35B palette, putting that on my lower lash line. Thicker as we go outside. Then I'm taking the lightest green, putting that in the inside. Anyways, I'm going to apply mascara and be right back. Now I'm gonna attempt to contour my nose with the Makeup Revolution contour palette. Let's bronze. Taking my Makeup Revolution bronzer, taking it on an angle brush, just slightly stippling it here. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Cherry. You know this. You know it. Then I'm gonna set my face. Now I'm gonna take highlighter. I'm taking the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, the cult favorite. The same highlighter on a flat brush to highlight my inner tear duct, then the bridge of my nose. A small line here. Now only lips are left. So for lips, I'm just lining them with Randy Wine, I think it's called. And I'm taking a cult favorite in the red lip industry, which is Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in Uncensored, and this is a fat applicator and I don't have that much lip, so I'm going to take a lip brush, I'm going to pick up a bit and work with it, because if I use this I tend to overline and then I look like Ronald McDonald, and I'm not really into that for Christmas, maybe for Halloween. After I'm done lining it, just fill it. You can make this ombre if you please, but yeah, I'm just going to do my hair and I'm going to be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. I really like it. It's a bit bold, but I think it's like very Christmassy and it's perfect. So it's not full green eyeshadow, just like a bit. So yeah, you could pair this with a nude lip, but I think a red, bold red lip is perfect for the holidays. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope so you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, bye. See you in my next one.